Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to post someone's Instagram story. Alright guys, here I have already opened my Instagram application on my phone, and to post someone's Instagram story, you have to be tagged in someone's Instagram story. If you have been tagged, you will get the notification on your Instagram direct message. So you can open your Instagram direct message right here. Then this is the account who tagged me on Instagram story, so we can tap on the account like this. Then we can simply tap on add to your story. Okay, and before we repost the story, we can edit the story first. We can add sticker, we can add text to the Instagram story, and after we're done editing the story, we can simply tap on your story right here, and the story will be reposted on our Instagram account. Okay, and let's just check it. Alright guys, and this is the story that I have just reposted, and that's how we can repost Instagram story. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.